Hey, Mark the Meerkat suffering here, free online tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host to the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Let's take a look at a trade that we had this morning on Twitter at TWTR. Here it is, right at opening. This yellow line represents opening, and up here, and it's high basing here. So on a high base, and the markets are bullish, we set a trade right up in this area here and let the market come to us. Let's see what happened next here. And boom, there we go. And now I'm long at $51.32 on Twitter, TWTR, and it continued to climb. So I'm going to set my stop right here, right at the $51 area, right below this 20 moving average, about 1%. That's okay. And let's see, watch it move. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Now it's up here to $52, and it's starting to high base at 52. So we've got about 1% in that trade. So I'm bringing my stop in the money, right there. And I'm going to bring my stop up to this point. I now have an in the money stop, zero risk. Love it when that happens. And now the playing on the house is money. And it pulls back, and that's okay, it's okay. Now it's starting to roll back up here. Now it broke this high area here at $52. So I'm going to bring my stop up here, just underneath that this swing low here. Let's watch it there. And it didn't try to break out. Now the markets were moving up, and then they were kind of stalling here at about 10 o'clock. And it's still going up here. And now again, I'm going to make money on this no matter what. Right now I have a stop at just about 1%. So now I'm going to start using this 50 moving average. But notice all these moving averages are moving together. That's a sign of it's consolidating for a long period of time. They'll all move together. So I'm bringing my stop right down there. It's pulling on up here. So now the 50 moving average is starting to separate this blue line a little bit from it. So I'm going to start putting my stop just underneath that. Use that as a shield. It's moving up. Oh, look at that. Broke up there again. Keep moving my stop up here. It's moving, it's moving. It's pulling back a little bit. Moving my stop up. Stay right underneath that 50 moving average. And bam. There it did. It got me right there. See that? Right when it broke that 50 moving average, it stopped me out at $52.20 for 1.7% on that trade in 1 hour and 20 minutes. Wow. So again, it was a high base breakout. We don't know what's going to happen after that. It's a matter of managing your stop and letting your winner run. I stayed in this a long time, over an hour, and which is rare for a day trade for me, but that's what we have to do. This is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Hey, just remember that success favors those who persist. Trade well.